Shoutable. Let me show you how to book your shout.
First, let's go to shoutable.me and press Get Started. Find the most suitable billboard and select your location. You can also use the Find My Location tool to see all the billboards near you. Then, select your favorite shout design. There's one for every type of mom. After choosing a design, customize it with your name and the recipient's name. And if you picked a template with a photo, then upload it here. Next, enter your billing and credit card information. Choose a package. Each package is a 10-minute time slot for $40. Not seeing the time you want? Feel free to browse from over 1,500 available billboards across the United States. You're almost there. Make sure to review the preview, location, and time of your shout. Apply a promo code here if you have one. Remember to read the safety warning. It's important to follow these guidelines before visiting your shout to ensure everyone's health and well-being. Please review your order carefully because you will not be able to make any changes to the content or the time selected. Once you have approved everything, you may place your order.
On the day of your shout, you will receive a reminder email with a real-world image, just in case you missed your shout or you didn't like any of the pictures you took. Don't forget to follow and tag shoutable.me for a chance to be featured.